Hey, what's good you all? It's Mr. Horseman here. Today I want to share with you my experience getting my bike tuned by a friend of mine, Zam, the professional tuner apparently, as you can see in this video. He's based at JDM Depot in USJ, and right now he's prepping my bike to get on a dyno. We got a couple of MT-09s that day, and I changed my stock exhaust to Akrapovic titanium at Tahun Racing Cheras, and right after I changed it, I contacted Zam to get it tuned. Honestly, this is pretty much a cool experience for me to be able to be with Zam in the room and to watch what he does with his bike. It's pretty amazing. Personally, I think those who change to aftermarket exhaust should consider their bike getting tuned. Why? Number one, I think the peace of mind, and secondly, obviously the performance. And as for me, I want to be sure that my bike is at a healthy condition. And from the graph that you're seeing here, the red line represents before tuning and the blue line is after I get it tuned. From 107 horsepower to 114 horsepower. You might be saying 7 horsepower increased. That's not so much. But for me, it is like a never-ending power on this bike. It's not like I'm going at 300 kilometers per hour. Well, at least not yet. But I'm telling you, if I want to go fast, I know that the power is there. So I'm very happy with the power increased. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like my sharing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Until next time, salut.